Hey, Credit Fam! Back with some sauce, and today we're tackling bankruptcies, child support, really any public records showing up on your credit report. We all know they don't technically belong there, but somehow they sneak in. So, how do these eviction notices of the financial world end up on your credit report? Data miners, that's right, LexisNexis, and pacers of the credit world crawl in the court system, snatching up your bankruptcy info. Now, the credit report might say the furnisher of the information is the court, but that's a major FCRA rights violation. Why? Because the furnisher should be the corporation who actually reports the account on your report, not the court that processed the bankruptcy. Stay till the end because this is how we get the truth to be told for us and avoid waiting 7 years, 10 years. All right, Credit Fam, this is where the magic happens. We're about to expose these crooks and get those inaccurate entries off your report way faster than 7 years. Here's a 4-step battle plan that'll have the credit agencies scrambling. Step 1, write to the courts. Ask them the golden question. Did you report my bankruptcy to the credit bureaus? Simple question that we need answer to. This gets the ball rolling and builds your case. Step 2, target those sneaky data miners. Send LexisNexis and Pacer a letter reminding them of your privacy rights. Let them know they can't just be data vacuuming your financial life. Just cannot invade your privacy on their own time. Step 3, don't forget the credit bureaus. Fire off a letter to each one, letting them know they violated your FCRA rights by accepting inaccurate information and is supposed to be reporting 100%. We will not let them slide. Step 4, now with everyone notified, you've got a paper trail. If they don't clean up your report, legal action might be the next step. Wait, did you catch that? We can leverage these FCRA violations to get these entries removed much faster than the usual 7-year wait for bankruptcies. That's right, Credit Fam. This knowledge is a game changer. Remember, Credit Fam, stay informed, fight for your rights, and don't let these sneaky entries drag down your credit score. And for more credit knowledge bombs, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Let's clean up your credit report together. Do not be stingy. Share this video with a friend.